name is Bombshow. You're welcome to my it's Bombshow Television. Musho Musho Zirkupisa. If you're new here, don't forget to sign up. Please go subscribe and like also go share and go comment my videos. Let's get into each story of today.
Right, ndichange nekutenda mafans eBombshow Television nekusupporta kwamuri kuita each and every day we're seeing my improvements, right? Nhasi kune nyaya kupisa ndauya nayo takaona first video randakaisa redis rakakandwa naHoly 10 achidhisa Voltz JT's album na Saintfloew right pane zvaazotaura pakuita se papost yaakaisa iyoyo kune vasina kuona video racho check out for that video riripo takariisa pavimbanapa saka uyu ndiye Saintfloew wacho I think most of us tomuziva nyimbo zita ndonzi silas mavende ndenge ndiri ndega chikakatende chicheche handiti saka right now vakomana havasati havo vapindura kana kutaura anything but akataura zvekuti hey, you have to be humble so let's watch the video.
Coming back to you, Holy, I have to say you're very controversial, if we're to be honest. And I guess it also comes with the genre, like, it's just hip hop, and there's a lot of controversy there. And I feel like you also love it. Like recently today, you tweeted, I'm not sure, but I saw the tweet today. You tweeted about you were dissing Voltz and Saintfloew. And I actually thought, you and Saintfloew work together. What's really going on there?
I wasn't dissing anybody.
Yo, you said he needs to be humble. You said something along those lines. Yeah, but I mean, for someone to be told that.
To be humble, is that a diss? That's not a diss.
It means you're probably doing something wrong. Maybe you're being
it's care. It's care. I'm the father of Zim Hip Hop. I'm their father. Okay. All of them, all the way from Voltz, Kiki, everyone that's doing Zim Hip Hop. And as the father, I have to speak the truth and I have to lead the youth.
Okay, yeah, father.
Yeah.